So I'm probably going to be late to school today because it's like all icy out. And my dad's still not out here. And it's like 8:05 and I have to be there at 8:30. And, you know, in the snow, people completely forget how to drive. People turn into complete idiots. But yeah, I'm just wearing my...
I have to go that way. What are we questions?
Now we walk. Emily, you gotta get some of those back to my classroom. I'm really you have to do
Listen, you were the one, the idiot who bought the same thing. You should have just done something heavier.
Oh my god.
Do they not have like a key?
I'm also like breaking plastic.
Did you imagine if the guy came in right now? He'd be like, what the hell is going on?
I'll take my $2 back. That works. Wow.
So we're having double dip chicken, which no one really knows what that is except me and my family. But it's like breadcrumbs and stuff, so thank you. So we have double dip chicken, onion soup, potatoes, and onions. What's up with the onion theme? Yeah, so chicken.
Don't be breathing on people tomorrow.
Hopefully I don't have a client.
That's a gum.
Yeah.
Mint.
This thing is so creepy looking. Don't you think? Did I scare